Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a filter on your Shopify store to give your customers or visitors easy navigation, so this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on the Shopify. This is actually a free trial, a demo account. So from here you can find the online store. You can find here. Now here is a theme. So actually some theme has the default filter version. So for example, here it is like Horizon 2.0. So most of the 2.0 version has filter option. If I show you from the customization section, there should be a filter option in like catalogs here. If I are, you can see here. See, it is. Now here you can find some short option here, just like this. You can find the filter option here, just like here, and also some of them here are available. So you can do is you can set it like publish. Simply I'm going to publish it. Simply click on publish. So if you want to find something for like this 2.0 version theme, so you can do is simply you can find some popular free theme. Here is one, here is another one. So you can do is you can go to the theme store. So let me just visit your store. Here you can see import theme. So here you can click on this button here and you can visit the theme store. Now when you are on theme store, you can find different types of themes. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. So you can see here, and most of the paid version of themes have their own modified filter option. So there should be like here it's not visible here, but if you see the demo, for example, if we get into a demo here, for example this one. So if we try this here, then here you can see a carbon theme are adding to trial. So we are going to see a trial on this theme, and yeah, it's actually loading here. So I'm going to skip this because it will actually consume my time here, but you can find most of the 2.0 version theme has the filter option. So if you don't have this, so here it's added. So let's just check out if it's have or not. So here you can see we are on this website, and here is the catalog section where we can find some options here. So this theme doesn't have their default filter option, so that's not a big deal. You can do is main thing you can do is you can do add an app. Simply click on add, and when you add, you're going to adding it. So you can go to the Shopify App Store. Simply click on this link here, and it will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. So when you are on Shopify App Store, make sure you have search for search and discovery. Search and discovery. Here it is, the Shopify search and discovery. So here you can find the best match. Here is you can see this app that I'm talking about. So this can help you to add some filters. So there is, you can find that search, the categories is search and filters. So you have to do simply click on install button here, and it will just integrate it with your Shopify store. Here you can see, simply give the permission and simply click on install, and it will start installing on your Shopify store. Now here you can see it has just installed in my store, and here you can find the app section, the search and discovery app, where you can find filters. Now you can simply click on filters, where you will be able to add some filters. Like here you can see there is two option of filter it has just added. You can add more filters. Simply click on add filter, where you can select the source. Like here is more sources here, like product type. So we have just added here. Now you can add some value here, like also you can change the label of this product. You can rename it any of this, like customer. So like we are going to delete the type here, like products or products variant, product variants, just like this. And from here you can add some value if you want. So you can add it manually, or you can add it sort automatically. Now you have to simply click on it, the save, and make sure you have added all of your product, all the details like the product variant and price is all. Obviously there will be the price for the product, and the availability, that's mean if it's on your stock or not, then you can add them on your products. Then if you add any variant of your product or product type, that what type this product is, then you can add it to this product variant. That product type, all the product type will be listed in this product variant that exactly that I have just added. Now you can also simply click on view, and here you can find products here, and there is no product right now obviously. You can also add some more filter here, and if as more as source you have, that more you can add to your filter. So you can, for example, you have of some product like collections. Here in the collections you have added some of more other product, like some of clothing or some of games and toys or some of tech related accessories. So you have added all of this from just like same here is apps. Now just you have divided them in different category, then you can add some more category from here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.